Hi there. So, by now, you've probably heard about Jamboard. Jamboard is Google's digital interactive whiteboard that is taking over classrooms all over the place. It's really cool because you have it's simple, easy to use, but you have several different kinds of tools, highlighter tools, drawing tools, the sticky note tool, which is nice because it kind of rapid fires. You can add different shapes, text boxes, and you can also use this like pointer tool that draws attention and then it goes away, which is kind of nice. So Jamboards are everywhere. People are using them for graphic organizers. They're collaborative, just like any other Google Drive doc. You can have students complete phonics activities, have check-in questions or exit slips. A lot of people are using it as a substitute for Padlet, which is cool. So tons and tons of things you can do with Jamboard. I want to tell you about one way I've been using it lately, which is to use it as a substitute for Google Slides, or actually in conjunction with Google Slides. So a lot of times I will be delivering a workshop virtually, and I'll share the slide deck with my learners, and then I ask my learners to jump into a Jamboard and do some kind of interactive thing. So what I'm proposing is that we have learners skip the Google slide deck and go directly to Jamboard. So the way you do that is to save each of your slides as an image and then set them as the background in Jamboard. And here's how I did this. So I want to quickly show you what ends up happening with your Jamboard slide deck turn Jamboard. So this is the one that I showed you in the demonstration, and you can see my users marked it up. I asked them to mark things that they like. They made notes, and then they actually used the sticky notes to add to the graphic organizer here. So in my example, my learners or adult learners, but I think this strategy really transfers to any grade level where you might have some images to share or some slides to share where you might want students or learners to interact with them, complete the graphic organizer, or even pull in some text and model for students and then send them off into small groups perhaps to do a text protocol or select a text that supports a claim that they've made, use sticky notes to capture questions or wonderings. There are so many things that you can do by taking your slide deck and creating it directly in Jamboard. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope that you found this tip helpful, and happy Jamboarding.